had a feeling you'd come back and save me from all those lonely nights and heartbreaks. And I feel misplaced without you. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Never wanted to end it like we did. I guess shit happens for a reason, but it's like something feels different.
Good morning everyone and welcome back to another video. So right now it is currently 9:15 a.m. and I have to be out the door in about 45 minutes. I'm starting a 3-day trip today. So today would be day one. Today's actually going to be the longest day of this trip. We have 3 legs today, so 3 flights. And we go from Dallas to Orlando. We sit there for about an hour 45, and then we do an Atlantic City turn, meaning we just go there and back. So I think today's pretty much the longest day, and then we just lay over in Orlando. So if you guys are new to my channel, hi, my name is Allie and I am a Dallas-Fort Worth-based flight attendant. And I vlog about the flight attendant life and how I balance that with motherhood and all that. So if that sounds interesting to you, don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And then make sure to set your notifications on so you never miss a video. So I'm still talking a little funny. I'm on tray 3 of Invisalign. And this one is a lot tighter than the other ones. So I'm in a little bit of pain, but not too much, not like the first day. But right now I'm gonna go start getting ready for work. I'm gonna fix my hair a little bit and then just do my makeup. Everything's pretty much ready to go. I just have to put my food in my lunchbox. I was also trying to get my son ready for virtual school because today is his virtual school day. He has 1 day a week where he has to do school online. So we're gonna get that ready and set up and then get this day going.
Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to? Honestly, I'm open wide. I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to, why don't we go back to your bedroom?
So we made it to Orlando. We worked the 1 leg from Dallas to Orlando. It was a pretty full flight. It's spring break, so people are starting to go to Disney World and just to the parks. So we have about an hour sit. We are gonna go get some food and then we're going to just wait until it's time to board and then work the turn from Atlantic City and back and then be done for the day. So I'm actually flying lead, and if you guys have been with me for a while, you know I hate flying lead. Usually when I fly lead, it's because I get juniored into flying lead, meaning the senior people chose to fly every other position and the only one left was lead. But this time I chose to fly lead because I'm flying with a friend and she chose to fly in the front, and I'm gonna be with her the whole time, so she must be a very special friend because I don't fly in the front. So anyway, that's what's going on. We're gonna get food and then just hang out until it's time to go. Made it to Orlando. Let me turn the TV off. We had a very long day today. My goodness, it was 3 legs. I am so tired. It is 11:08 p.m. and it was actually such a chill day. Nothing crazy happened. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little bit nervous. So I'm sure you guys have heard in the news that the Texas mandate and mask mandate ended on the 10th, and today's the 10th, so I was kind of nervous to see how it was gonna go, but luckily everything went okay, you know, because even though Texas doesn't require you to wear a mask, you still need it for travel. So anyway, I just can't believe I'm flying lead. I never fly lead, you guys know that. But it's all going okay. Tomorrow we have a late report time of 6 p.m. So we have to be 6:20 p.m. So we're gonna be downstairs at 5:30. So in the morning, I'm gonna go to the gym with Kim, which is the friend that I was telling you guys about. And we're gonna work out and then possibly go for a walk and maybe see what we can grab for lunch. So anyway, I'm going to get situated and get out of this uniform, take a shower. I want to shower so bad. And then go to bed. So I will talk to you guys early tomorrow morning. Good morning, friends. It is day 2 of this 3-day trip. It is 9 a.m. and I have actually been awake since 4:30 this morning. I don't know what it was. I just woke up and I couldn't go back to sleep, and so I've been up ever since, and I feel like I'm gonna crash later today. I hope that doesn't happen, but I'm having a cup of coffee so that I can have energy and just kind of push through the day. I'm going to meet my friend Kim in about an hour and a half downstairs to go work out, and in the meantime I'm just gonna get some editing done, so hopefully I can have this video ready to go pretty soon. So yeah, I packed some hard-boiled eggs and some yogurt and a banana, so that's what I'm gonna have for breakfast. So just finished working out. I broke a sweat and it felt so good. I'm so glad that I came. It is now 12:15, so we were in here for about an hour. I did some cardio on the elliptical, and then I did some weights, and now we're just gonna go for a walk and see what we can do. Kim wants to go to the nail salon, so we're gonna stop there really quickly and then possibly get some food. We're going over to the terminal right now. We're waiting for the train, and then we're gonna work from Orlando to Houston, Houston, LA. So it's a long night, but it should go by pretty fast, so.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
so since I'm flying lead, I'm pretty much in charge of getting all the information from the pilots, flight time, loads, and all that stuff. And then I'm also going to give them some water. I'm going to give them a list with all of our names so they know who's on board. And then I'm going to give them water, a trash bag, and then whatever else that they need. Hey guys, so we made it to Houston. The flight from Orlando to Houston was about 2 hours and 9 minutes, so it wasn't very long. It was kind of busy. I felt like it was kind of hectic, but it's done. So now we're just gonna work the one flight to LA, and then we're gonna be done for the day.
Yeah, probably 2 bags.
2 bags.
Yeah,
thank you. All right, so we made it to LA. It is currently 12:29 a.m. and I have officially been awake for 23 hours. So I need to desperately get some rest. But before I do that, I do have to take my makeup off because I do not want to go to sleep with makeup. So I'm tired. I feel like my eyes are just so heavy. The flights today were a little bit more hectic than I would have liked them to be. We had a few issues that we had to take care of. Luckily, it wasn't anything serious and everything got like squared away with no problem, but still, service was busy. We sold out of everything pretty much. And the flights were full, so we were pretty much going up and down the aisles the entire flight, especially the one coming to LA, but I feel like LA flights are always really busy for some reason. So anyway, I'm gonna take my makeup off. Tomorrow morning I'm gonna go with some family. If you guys don't know, I'm from California, so I'm gonna go see some family and then possibly get some Botox done. So, and I mean, I'm just gonna be open about it. I have no problem telling you guys that I'm getting Botox. But, and then, I mean, worst case scenario, if I don't like it, it dissolves, it goes away. So it's just me trying it out. But anyway, I am going to take this makeup off, like I said a million times, and then go to bed.
Don't wanna wake up, I might be dreaming. I might be dreaming. You're stirring things up, my heart is beating. My heart is beating. I won't let go, I can't say no. My heart is yours, so I my style.
Good morning, friends. It is the next day. It is 10:15 a.m. and I'm getting ready to go downstairs. My mom is here. She's gonna pick me up and we're just gonna go have a talk and then, you know, go get something to eat and then see what we get ourselves into for today. So today is go home day. We have one leg home and we get home I think around midnight. So we get home very late, but at least it's only one leg home. It's just one and done, just the way I like it. So I'm just going to end the vlog here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if it's your first time here. I have a little bit of a surprise for you guys, so maybe in the next video you guys will see that I look a little bit different. So we will talk then. I will see you guys in a few days in my next video. Bye guys.
It ain't my style. You see right through me. I don't wanna